He was telling that the delivery period has increased to 5 months. Oh my god, 5 months because no cars available. No cars available.
In the darkest night, I saw your eyes. A sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are.
Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel The Nth Drives. I am now heading towards Kia showroom to fit my number plate, get fixed my number plate.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping pocket, swola, 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 swola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, moolah,
I just heard a crazy thing, guys. Okay, I was talking to my delivery executive. We could see only Carnival in display. There is no Sonet and there is no Seltos in display actually. So I've asked him what happened to the other two cars. Only the Carnival is on display, and he was telling me that over, ho gaya, all the cars khatam. I guess only the test drive cars are available. And he was telling that the delivery period has increased to 5 months. Oh my god, 5 months because no cars available. No cars available. Okay.
swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola.
I had a little conversation with delivery executive again after fitting my number plate. He was telling me that only the HTX variants especially are getting delayed a lot because initially this is a known fact for most of the people. Initially there were lot of bookings for GTX variant, HTX plus variant and HTK plus variant, frankly speaking. So this was the statistics before, when they have opened the bookings, and a lot of people have opted for all these GTX, HTX plus and HTK plus variants. And the moment the price is revealed, even frankly speaking, even I have booked the HTX Plus variant itself. But after seeing the price and the difference between the prices, changed my mind. And actually, I had to get my car in the first lot itself. But due to the change in the variation from HTX Plus to HTX variant, I got this car in the second lot. Was telling me that I was so lucky because after my lot there were no cars at all, HTX cars. The people who booked along with me but who have got the slots after my bookings, like let's say some 10 to 20 number of cars after my booking, they got their cars delivered. But after that no one has got their cars, especially the HTX variants, because most of the conversions happened from GTX Plus to HTX and HTX Plus to HTX, and upgradation also happened from HTK Plus to HTX because of the price. It was almost a difference of 1.5 to 2 lakhs from HTX to HTX Plus variant, which is, frankly speaking, it is simply worthless just for the 10.25-inch infotainment display, ventilated seats, Bose speakers, rear wiper, and what is the additional things? What are the additional things? Yeah, that's it. Nothing more than this. Of course, nothing more than this. So for this, the cost has gone up to almost 1.5 to 2 lakhs high. Is ridiculous, man, ridiculous. No one could digest it, and all just for the cosmetic upgrades of infotainment system. Frankly speaking, the Bose infotainment system, which I have heard in the test drive car, is utterly flop, because Bose is something which is very premium brand, and with the sound quality which we will be experiencing from the outside TV speakers or Bluetooth speakers or whatever it could be. See, that is really phenomenal. But coming to the partnership with Kia and putting the cheap Bose system, I felt this, exactly the same way. And even my brother said that, is it really Bose? Something like that. Those comments were coming from my brother also. So that was the case, and he thought of okay, fine, all the 10.25-inch display and maps and all that stuff. Of course, we can do it with other things also, the Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple and Android Auto, all these things. So I thought, let's go for this. And ventilated seats, okay, it is a needful feature, but that's okay. If we can bear for 1 to 2 minutes, fine, the car is cooled, because of course the cooling capacity is also so good. So that's super fine, no problem at all. He was telling me that now the waiting period has gone up for the HTX variant, especially for 3 to 5 months closely. Yeah, the reason being is because of the heavy demand. What he told me is that the sunroofs were not available with the vendor, third-party vendors. Because of the high demand, they could not meet the requirement of Kia. So that's how because of the sunroof, production is getting delayed, and also because of the workforce, because of COVID, all that stuff. So I guess my camera is going to die, not because of the battery, because of the storage.